I am Debbie Fletcher. I am an emergency medicine community physician in Shreveport, Louisiana. In the fall of 2018, a contract management group took over our ED contract. Initially, they said things would not change, but in the spring of 2019, they decided one of the things they would do is to start the use of mid levels. I was told by one of the head people in that company that it's just business.
So you, a board certified emergency physician, were replaced with a non physician practitioner. And now we have discovered through research that 7.4% of all emergency rooms across the country are not being staffed by a physician 24/7.
Yes, it is a survey that is sent out every other year. I had asked if we could question which departments have a physician 24/7. So when the researchers that were collecting the data looked at it, they were pretty shocked to find 7.4% said no, they did not. That is 1 out of 13 emergency departments in the country.